Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Snapchat account permanently to remove your profile and all associated data, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/delete_account. Step 2. Log in to your Snapchat account using your username or email and password. Step 3. Read the information about what happens when you delete your account, including the 30-day grace period before permanent deletion. Step 4. Enter your password again when prompted to verify your identity and authorize the account deletion. Step 5. Complete any additional security verification steps if required, such as CAPTCHA or two-factor authentication. Step 6. Click Continue to proceed with the account deletion process. Step 7. Your account will be deactivated immediately and you have 30 days to change your mind by logging back in before permanent deletion. Step 8. Avoid logging into your Snapchat account during the 30-day grace period to ensure your account is permanently deleted. Step 9. After 30 days, your Snapchat account and all associated data will be permanently removed from the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.